Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it. Tired of being broke, tired of loving hoes whose hearts are so cold, and tired of saying no to these women trying to take me home, man. I'm tired of fucking being alone, but it's part of being grown and I continue to grow. It's pathetic how I'm feeling all this pity for myself, a little overwhelmed by the pain that I felt. Fuck it, I need help, emotionally bloated and it's hard as hell to belch, but my circle's got a nigga holding up like a belt, and that ain't fair. Never worry about myself, I go and lose it all while the bitch is doing well. Detrimental to my health to put love on the shelf. Refurbish my hardwire, now all I want is wealth. If you see me, you could tell, cause I wear it on my sleeves and my goal's to excel. Leave you rolling in the deep, buy your tickets to Adele. You fucked up, Rochelle, now you can fuck yourself. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Tired of hearing lies and the phony alibis. People on my locomotive trying to catch a free ride that would throw me in the boiler room and find shattered pie. Like a phoenix from the ash, I'm destined to re-arise. Push off the side as I fly sky high. Niggas keep hating as my hunger amplifies. Mama used to say if you ain't got it, improvise. So I'ma make it happen with the story of our lives. Like Satan, nigga, tell us why you on the 9. Cause you fake motherfuckers in my face waste time. They call me young slime and I'm here to draw the line. I encourage you to cross if you're up for suicide. I wouldn't shed a tear cause my eyes run dry. Due to the sativa I be smoking, alright. Physically disabled but my mind's on the grind, and my team is telling me to follow all of the signs, cause this is your time. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. Story of my life, tired of living it like this. You could catch me throwing quarters down an empty wishing well for my exes. Yeah, I really wish you well, but I see you all in hell, cause casting little spells was what made my rebel. If you don't know me by now, bitch, I ain't Patti LaBelle. When you talk about love, you ain't talking about me. You created a monster, I'm a pussy hole fiend. Only here to haunt your dreams, Freddy blowing off steam. In a lean, mean bastard, money making machine. Story of my life, tired of living it like I put your ass out when you ain't worthy of my team. That's for all you cold-hearted bitches running the scheme. If you real, then believe, I'ma give you all you need. Ain't as evil as I seem, but as real as I could be. Cause real niggas say real things. Fuck hoes, get money, smoke real good weed.